and I don't know what it all means. But since I survived, I realized wherever you go, that's where I'll follow.